Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative opportunity if you're looking for a way to generate passive income online. In this video, we'll explore a simple yet effective strategy that leverages the power of email marketing to drive targeted traffic and earn recurring commissions. Even if you're a beginner with no prior experience in affiliate marketing, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, making it easy to set up and start earning within the next 10 minutes. Find a profitable affiliate offer. The first step in this affiliate marketing strategy is to find a profitable offer to promote. We'll be focusing on software products and services because they offer several advantages over physical products. With digital products, there's no inventory limit, which means you can generate unlimited sales and earn unlimited commissions. Additionally, many software companies offer recurring monthly commissions, meaning that you'll continue to earn as long as the customer remains subscribed to the service you've referred them to. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Sendinblue email marketing platform as our affiliate offer. Sendinblue pays a $5 commission for every new free account sign-up and an additional $100 commission if the user upgrades to a paid plan. While our primary focus will be on earning the $5 commissions, which are easier to achieve, the potential for additional $100 payouts exists as well. To get started, visit the PartnerStack affiliate marketplace at partnerstack.com and search for Sendinblue. Click on the offer and then select Join the Program to become an affiliate. Follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process, which should take no more than a minute. Understand the value proposition. Before we dive into the traffic generation aspect, it's essential to understand why email marketing is valuable for businesses, especially service-based companies. Search for articles and blog posts that discuss the importance of email marketing, such as 9 reasons why email marketing is important. These resources will provide insights into how email marketing can help businesses increase conversion rates, customer lifetime value, and overall revenue. For example, if a service business like a barbershop captures a customer's email address, it can continue to market to that customer, encouraging repeat visits and maximizing the customer's lifetime value. Instead of earning a one-time $5 haircut fee, they could potentially earn $50 or more from the same customer over time by sending targeted email promotions and offers. Create a customized call to action, CTA. Once you've gained an understanding of the value proposition, it's time to create a customized call to action, CTA, that will entice potential customers to sign up for the Sendinblue service through your affiliate link. We'll be using a tool called Sniply.io, to add our CTA to valuable blog posts and articles related to email marketing. Navigate to Sniply.io and create a new snip by entering the URL of the article you want to use. For example, you might use the 9 reasons why email marketing is important article you found earlier. Sniply will display the article on the right side of the screen, allowing you to create a CTA that will appear on the page. Craft a compelling CTA message, such as get free access to the best email software, and include a call to action button with text like click here. When someone clicks on the button, they'll be redirected to your Sendinblue affiliate link, which you can paste into the button URL field in Sniply. Once you've customized your CTA to your liking, click Finish My CTA to generate a Sniply link that includes your CTA overlaid on the article. Locate email addresses and send outreach. Once you've identified potential target businesses, visit their websites and look for their email addresses, which are often listed in the contact or footer sections. If an email address isn't readily available, you may need to try multiple websites until you find one that provides this information. When you have the business's email address, copy and paste it into the To field of a new email in your email client, e.g., Gmail. Next, copy and paste the pre-written email template provided in the script, customizing it with your name and relevant details. The email template includes a compelling subject line, $0 to get more customers this month, and a persuasive body that highlights the benefits of email marketing and the opportunity to access a free email marketing software, Sendinblue, through your affiliate link. Be sure to include both your Sniply link, which provides value through the article, and your direct Sendinblue affiliate link, as this increases the chances of a successful conversion. Rinse and repeat. After sending your outreach email to the first business, repeat the process with additional service-based businesses in your area or different locations. The more businesses you reach out to, the higher your chances of generating signups and commissions. Remember, with this strategy, you're not only offering businesses a valuable service access to email marketing software, but also the potential to increase their revenue and customer base at no cost to them. It's a win-win situation that makes it easier to secure their interest and action. Scaling and optimizing your affiliate marketing strategy. While the process outlined above provides a solid foundation for earning affiliate commissions through email outreach, there are several ways to scale and optimize your efforts for even greater success. 1. Automate your outreach. Instead of manually sending emails one by one, consider using an email automation tool to streamline the process. This will save you time and allow you to reach more businesses efficiently. 2. Split test your approach. Experiment with different subject lines, email copy, and CTAs to see what resonates best with your target audience. Split testing can help you identify the most effective elements and optimize your conversion rates. 3. Expand your offer portfolio. While this strategy focuses on the Sendinblue offer, you can diversify your income streams by promoting other relevant software and services through different affiliate programs. 4. Build a landing page. Instead of relying solely on your affiliate links, consider creating a dedicated landing page that provides more information about the email marketing software you're promoting. This can increase trust and conversions. 5. Leverage paid advertising. While the email outreach strategy is effective for generating free traffic, you can also explore paid advertising channels like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or LinkedIn Ads to reach a broader audience of potential customers. 6. Nurture your leads. Don't stop at the initial sign-up. Implement a lead nurturing strategy to build relationships with your referrals and potentially upsell them to paid plans or other relevant offers. By consistently implementing and optimizing this affiliate marketing strategy, you can build a sustainable source of passive income that continues to generate commissions month after month. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to earn passive income online, and the email outreach strategy outlined in this blog post provides a simple and effective way to get started. By leveraging the power of valuable content, compelling CTAs, and targeted outreach, you can connect with service-based businesses in need of email marketing solutions and earn commissions for referring them to platforms like Sendinblue. Remember, the key to success with this strategy is consistency and persistence. Keep refining your approach, expanding your reach, and providing value to your target audience. With dedication and a willingness to learn and adapt, you can turn this affiliate marketing strategy into a reliable source of recurring income. If you like this video, consider giving it a like. Subscribe to me as well for more awesome videos related to finances, side hustles, and making money just like this.